Hello, I'm Seth Johnson with Land a House. Welcome back to another tiny house front door custom build. So because my door frame is not quite square, I'm going to have to use a plane to take off about 1/4 of an inch from here down to here. So let's get started. Time to see if my plane sharpening skills have worked. So let's see here. I'm also going to have to remove a little bit of those threaded rods in there because they're going to be in the way, sadly, but I think we'll manage. Oh, yeah. Let's see here. Let's see if that's down enough. Not too bad. Well, I can't plane too much down before I hit these metal screws, so I'm going to see if I can use the angle grinder here to V-notch in there and cut those out so we can get back to planing. Okay. We're still within our line there, and I think that's cut enough off that I can plane across that no problem. Now, because I was a tad sloppy with my wood glue, I'm going to see if I can lightly pull some of that up. Just using my chisel here. Well, that's looking pretty good. Now I'm just going to go over the whole thing with a sandpaper. Hopefully manage to smooth some of this out a little bit. Now it's time to install the hinges. So I've got these nice 4-hole hinges here. And I want to place this right here and make sure it's flush with the door. Use my not sharp pencil here. Make a mark. Okay. So now I'm going to use this razor blade and score along the mark we just made on both sides and make that kind of deep. Okay, so now we can take the chisel and work this little spot out of here. There always seems to be a knot where I'm working. Okay, I was able to get that clean. Now I'm going to place this hinge on the door where it's supposed to go, and I'm going to mark these holes here so that I can take this tiny 1/16 drill bit and make a pilot hole. And that will just give us enough room out of that wood to start our hinge here. The paperwork recommends that this is hand tightened so you don't over tighten it into the wood and I guess strip it maybe. Well, the hinges are on. I've taped everything up. Now it's time to start putting this primer on in preparation of the paint. The primer is dried overnight, so now it's time to apply our paint. So what I've got here is a nice rich red color. Starting to look nice. Always takes paint forever to dry. Especially when it's 20 degrees outside. Well, this door is really starting to look nice. I like the color. Big thumbs up to Ashley for picking that out. So I'm going to put another coat of paint on this whole thing, and I believe it'll be ready to install. Now, of course, this is just the bottom part of our Dutch door, so we still have to build the next part. But I'm liking the results so far, and I think you'll like the finished product. Well, the next video is to go out and install this part, so I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. I'm Seth Johnson with Land to House. Bye. Let's see how well this fits in here.